If your team includes Gen Z, Millennials, Gen X, and Baby Boomers, your biggest challenge is not age, it's perspective. Many workplace conflicts are not personal conflicts. They are generational differences. One generation may define loyalty as staying with an organization for many years. Another may define loyalty as continuous growth and new opportunities. One prefers formal communication. Another expects speed, accessibility, and real-time feedback. When these differences are not understood, labels begin to appear. Gen Z lack resilience. Senior employees resist change. Young people are impatient. Older generations are too rigid. And the more labels we create, the harder collaborations becomes. Teams become divided by assumptions instead of united by purpose. Effective leaders do not try to make every generation work the same way. They seek to understand what motivates each generation. They adapt their communication. They create opportunities for mutual learning. And they build a shared purpose that is bigger than their differences. Because leadership is not about making everyone think alike. It's about bringing different strengths together to achieve a common goal. Different generations, one team, one purpose.